17 we have booked 129 cases of without helmet, under 129, total 870 cases. And then in 2016 we had booked 13,166 cases of without helmet. And then with the tinted glass, we had conducted the special drive in this year in the month of January, and we have booked total 172 cases in this year from January till date, and 867 cases we had booked in 2016. Further, we had conducted the drive to book the cases against drunken driving, and in that one total 33 cases we had booked in this year, and 140 cases we had booked in 2016. And further, without license, we had conducted a drive to book the cases against people, those who are driving without driving license. In that one, we had booked total 35 cases in this year, in which 5 cases were there underage, and 30 cases were there they are above 18, but they were not having the driving license. And in last year, we had booked total 226 such cases under section 4 of MV Act without driving license, those who were major in age, and 13 underage cases were found in which they were without license. Further, to reduce the accidents on the highways, we have conducted several lectures on the schools to educate the students. This year we have conducted lectures in 2 colleges, that is PES College and the GVM College, and in 2 schools, that is Kamakshi Higher Secondary School, Kurti, and SS Samiti Higher Secondary School, Kaulem. Last year we had conducted such lectures in 6 schools, and 2 lectures were conducted in Nestle factory, and 1 road safety lecture was conducted into MRF to educate their workers, and in the schools to educate the students. Total 33 road improvements we have suggested to the PWD. Few of them have already been undertaken by the PWD, and few are still in the pipeline because of the 4-laning of the highways. And during the 4-laning, those things will be taken into consideration. Our survey states that maximum accidents which are fatal accidents which are taking place is between 20 to 35 years of age. And we are conducting a special drive to reduce this type of accidents, to issue them the challans. If a person riding the bike underage and he is not having the driving license, this 450 rupees is the fine for this violator, and the 500 rupees is the fine for the parents who has given the bike.